In this video we are going to discuss about precautions that you should adopt to keep yourself safe from coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. Coronavirus has already spread in 178 countries and very fastly around the globe. The death rate is too much in Italy. The situation is also alarming in the United States. Large organizations are also closing their offices to keep their employees safe. To protect yourself, wash your hands several times a day for 20 seconds each time by using sanitizer, soap or alcohol-based gel. While coughing or sneezing, use tissue and then dispose of it properly. If you don't have tissue, use your elbow while coughing. Social distancing is also very important to keep yourself safe from infected persons. So avoid going to busy places. If you have fever or other symptoms of coronavirus, stay at home, drink lot of water and take rest. However, if your condition is severe, then seek medical assistance. Follow the precautions and stay safe. Subscribe my tutorials and press the bell icon to keep yourself tuned with the latest updates.